I launch loads of cars every year. Sometimes it's fast cars, sometimes it's weird cars, sometimes it isn't even cars at all. I've put together a list of my favourite launches of the past 12 months and I've ranked them according to how quickly these cars accelerated from 0 to 60 miles an hour. And make sure you watch the whole video because I managed to break a world record in one of my launches. Let's do this. Buy, sell,
Car wow.
Oh, I've dropped my window bag. There we go, look at that. Whoa, let's brake. Oh, the brakes, no, the brakes are rubbish. 0 to 10 miles an hour, 1.7 seconds. Look, we've got a result here. Whoa, I really struggled off the line. Come on. Where's the 60 miles an hour? 14.96. What will the quarter mile be? 20.64.
Here we go, 0 to 60. Interestingly, this plane takes about 380 metres to get airborne, so we'll do the quarter mile. Here's 60 miles an hour coming up there. 11.56 seconds. Right, what's the quarter mile? Oh, it's already getting pretty light. Quarter mile in 18 seconds. There we go.
Come on, turbos. Hold the sound. Oh, 7.12. Oh, what's the quarter mile? 15.55. Come on. Good gear change though. 6.93. Brake, please, brake. Oh, launch is good. Oh, shifts, pretty brutal. Oh, that was a good one, come on. Keep going. There we go. Blimey. It's going quicker than a Rolls Royce should. And 0 to 60, 4.17 seconds. Considering it's skidding around as it is. Oh my God, this is just loose. Right, this track is like ice. There's bits of traction and there's none. And 0 to 60 was 4.17 seconds. It's only caught at 11.85. I know this thing is quicker. It feels mad, this just going so quick. 0 to 60, 3.9 seconds. What's the quarter mile? 12.34. Woo! Oh yes, it feels quick, and it hooked up, no tyre spin at all. 0 to 60, 3.82 seconds. What is the quarter mile? Come on. Sorry, I'm making, sounds like a monkey, but I'm quite excited. 12.21 seconds quarter mile, that is nuts! I can't believe how well that hooked up considering the conditions. That is insane. It's cold, slippery on the road. The tyres are cold as well. 0 to 60, 3.81 seconds. That's crazy! Whoa, there we go. Woo. 3.7 seconds. Got some wheel spin there, blimey. This is another level. 0 to 60, 3.71 seconds. Four-wheel drive for the win. Here we go. 0 to 60 in 3.67 seconds. Not the same. Here we go. 3.66, so it was slightly quicker. Let's keep on going. Quarter mile. 12.14. No chance. Not enough traction. What? The actual that spin of its wheels. The stability chimed in, and yet I still did a 3.6 to 60. 0 to 60, 3.56. What's the quarter mile? I quite like the sound effects actually. Do you think I would? They really do suit it. Woo, 11.93. There we go. 3.55 seconds with the window open. 3.32 to 60. So it was going sideways for a bit, lost traction. Mind you, despite that spinning of its wheels, it still did a quarter mile in 11.27 seconds. Wow. It's just jumping all over the place. It's nuts. As a result though, 3.3 seconds. It really just was crazy. And 11.03 standing quarter mile. That hooked up better. 3.30. Oh yes, that was better. And a quarter mile time of 11.26. Oh, go. It's good. Oh, the gear change is nuts. 3.27, what's the quarter mile? 11.11. Woo. North 63.19, that's pretty good. The quarter mile is 11.18. That was mental. Quarter mile 10.95. That was better. Oh yes. 3.14, yes it was better. What's the quarter mile? 11.14. That's the most brutal yet. 3.05, and it's on the money. Yeah. Yes. Go. Oh yeah, good. 0 to 60, what are you going to do? 3.05. What's the quarter mile? What's the quarter mile? Woo. 11.32. Oh, that felt pretty good to me. Good. Oh. Okay, so, what am I going to tell you? Right. That was much smoother. Oh yes, 2.84 to 60. 10.75 for the quarter mile. Oh yeah. Shit now. It. $2.80. Whoa. Way! 2.71. Yeah, it's great. Oh, f***ing hell. Yes! Yes, it keeps going. Oh. Whoa. Went sideways a bit quicker, but not really that much quicker. 2.85. All right, let's go. I promise. This is it. Here we go. Oh yes, that got better. We got a 2.5 2.59. What? Frickin' frick. It was quick. My God, 2.49 seconds.
It's full fan, let's go. That did the time. Me, 8.35. It hit like it's 150 mile an hour limit. I'd put it to 145 in like 5 seconds, and it's got like 3 seconds where it's just not even accelerating. That actually hurt my head. I'm gonna do it again. Here we go. I cocked it up last time. 7.97! Fan off, fan off. Remember to put the fan off. So, I actually did a 7.97 according to this.
I hope you'll enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. If you want to watch some more videos, I've picked a couple out for you there. I think you'll like. Yeah, just click on those windows to watch them. Or if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You can do that just by hitting the carwow logo there. Simple.